Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin. And guess what? It's wash day. Y'all wanted it. Y'all gonna get it. Okay. So I'm basically gonna go over with you a typical normal wash day for the most part for me. Only time I don't do this is when I'm in a rush, in which I should be doing this today, but y'all want this, so I'm going to give you the hybrid version of what I actually do. So on a normal wash day, I'm doing a apple cider vinegar rinse on my scalp, and I put it in a spray bottle. And what that consists of, and I will list it on the screen. Y'all gonna ask me for how many parts, what? To my heart's desire. Like, I don't measure stuff. I don't have an exact recipe for this, but my scalp feels a little dry. It's been feeling like that. Feels a little dry. It's very itchy. So I'm trying not to use my nails and use the palm, but it's very hard because they're right here, baby. So I have my water in here. I'm gonna take my ACV. You guys are set. I don't have a good setup in here, so we're just gonna do it right here. So my water is in here to about right here because it's cold, so you can see it. My water is in here to about right there. Okay. And I'm going to take my ACV, shake it up, and I'm going to pour it. We're going to take the tea tree. Sorry, I just woke up, so if I'm not that, excuse me. So how many drops? Y'all be like, how many drops? I'll be like, This is gonna be the hard part, but literally, this is how much I'm going to get out of here. That is it, okay? So when I put it in there, I literally just take that, okay? Then I just take it, and then I just put it in there. And then I repeat that. All right, for the most part, that is done, okay? Then we're gonna take it, we're going to shake it. Okay, gotta give it some, takes it a minute to get going, okay? But then I just section, spray. Section, spray. And I'm mainly focusing on my scalp. So spray, separate, spray. Then I just go ahead and repeat this on the other side. Now that I've done a majority of my scalp, I'm going to spray the shafts of my hair. And I'm not looking to drench my hair or nothing like that. I'm literally just spraying the shaft of my hair to give them kind of like a cleanse. All right, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower and rinse this off and then wash my hair. So there you go. All right, y'all, that is my current 2024 years in wash day. That's what I do on a regular. Half of the time I'm always doing the ACV rinse before I do it. It just gives me that extra cleanse of my scalp. I'm not saying that the shampoo won't do it, but that's just what my scalp's like. Some people may not be able to take the ACV with the tea tree and then washing their hair. It may dry it out. However, it works for me. So I hope this video gave what it said it was supposed to give, because y'all wanted it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.